Well, what we're looking at is, I believe, Roanoke and Daleville over there. Welcome back, beautiful, amazing hikers. Here we are at McCaffee Knob, which isn't just a point. It's actually a whole series of flat cliffs and ledges along the edge over here. And it is just a beautiful, incredible day where we can really see off into the distance. Good news, I'm feeling a lot better. Hauled a 32-pound pack up here. Oh, there's a shot over the wall. Yay! I guess that way over there, I believe, is the Tinker Cliffs. It's very hard to see or make out, but should be over there in about 2.5 hours. Should be 3-4 miles away, something like that. And today we're just taking it easy. We're doing a short one, stay at Lambert Shelter, and then we will get up and go into Daleville, where I can finally upload a bunch of these videos that you haven't been able to see because I haven't had any Wi-Fi for the longest time. Oh my goodness. Nope, there's still somebody there. Thought I might have a knob all to myself for a minute. But everybody's gonna get their pictures up over there. Yahoo-wee. Yeah. For those of you who wanted to know, that is the iconic spot right there of this whole area out here. And yeah, so yeah, I am literally dying for a nice hotel room, TV screen, privacy, laundry, chicken wings. You know, hopefully they got Hulu. Want to watch that Shogun thing. A little taste of the normal life before we start adventuring down into new, fresh territory. Yay! Well, I'm gonna have a snack, so catch you in the Tinker Cliffs.